I'm going to be doubling this up. I might even triple it up, but we shouldn't really have to. I'm just going to put this like so. And do the 4. I can tell you right now that some of this wood's going to split. Certainly I have a feeling it's going to split. I thought I had 4 of these. So that's kind of how I'm going to have this. All right. Pretty straightforward. I don't know. I'm still kind of liking it like this maybe. So you can see that there's some protruding, which I would just take the grinder or the Sawzall or the hammer. Sometimes it's just really easy just to whack it with the hammer. It will come right off. But I think you take a chance on cracking the wood. So once we get the 2x4, all right, you'll have that 2x4 or 2x3, and it you just kind of put it, you'll see how it kind of fits into this, into the edge of the 2x4, 2x3, like this. I got the new Sims card, and that's all that matters. And if that doesn't work, I'm screwed because I put like a 6-month subscription on it. All right, let me show you how I'm securing this. Now I already put 1 screw in here. You can see that from the angle here. And basically I just got my angle and I kind of just pressed a little bit. Again, this is plastic and this, of course, this could split, but just be careful. All right, so that's it. I didn't go too far actually, but the gap here is perfect. Barely any gap, so I'll just throw some caulk right in here. And this is good. You really don't need any more than this. So we'll cut this T out. This will already be in here inside the T area, you'll see. So I'll have to cut this out first. Then I'll mount this, and then I'll put the camera right here, and you'll see where the antenna is extended to, because you almost want it to be enough that you can maneuver around if you have to, but high enough to grab that signal. I mean, that's what I'm thinking. So we'll see what happens when we get up to the property in East Tennessee. So that's going to be the true test, not down here. I know it's going to work down here. It's, you know, I got Wi-Fi, you know, but it's not connected to Wi-Fi. It's strictly cellular, and this, like I said, it's on the 3 networks, so this should pick up without a problem anywhere. I'm just sure that this is probably going to be around here. Give me a ballpark here. Okay. All right, now let's see what happens here. Okay, let's finish this up. Ants all over. Wow, ants all over the place. Utility blade here. Let's see if we can cut this. I'll cut my fingers off. Almost. There it goes. Okay, that's perfect. Right, now we can extend this Just like this. This should do it. Now don't forget I have those screws behind there. They're all protruding. And I am not about to crank this down because I will split this wood, so. All right, so that's good. Get it as straight as possible, just to see. I'm gonna turn it on. You can see the T. Now there's the camera. I kind of pulled back a little bit further. This is not a sponsored video, but I do love this camera. I wanted to say thank you so much for watching Philly Meets East Tennessee. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I thank you, my dogs thank you, we all thank you, and we all need you. But take a look at this, okay? So this is working. Of course, it works so much better when my phone is under the Wi-Fi. I can pull this up almost instantly. We're gonna see if Ryzen's gonna make a difference here. But I don't know if you can tell, I have the antenna almost pretty much extended, because this will turn, yeah, you'll be able to see pretty much everything. Yeah. Okay, well, let's finish this up here. I'm going to show you that I'm going to be taking off these screws. All these screws are protruding, so let's see what happens here. Okay, that should do it. All right. Okay, I wanted to show you the final product here. Not too shabby. I'm still going to have to cut off the bottom portion. I think I'm going to take that off by about maybe 2 inches. I'm not sure, but I'm thinking maybe 2 inches. And there's the solar. I'm hoping that, today it's very cloudy, but I'm hoping that it's going to catch enough sun